After years of anticipation, America's fastest train, the next-gen Acela, has finally arrived. For travelers along the Northeast Corridor, this is a game-changer. The original Acela, launched in 2000, was groundbreaking, but after 2 decades, it was time for a major upgrade. The new Acela isn't just a facelift, it's a $2.35 billion reinvention of American rail. On its inaugural trip, excitement was palpable. This wasn't just another commute, it was history in motion. Amtrak President Roger Harris called it a new standard for American train travel. The new trains look, feel, and move differently, ushering in a new era. For passengers, it means faster, smoother trips and less hassle compared to driving or flying. The old and new trains will share tracks for a while, but the transition is underway. The future of American rail is here, finally, and ready to roll. It may have arrived late, but it's worth the wait. All aboard for a new chapter in U.S. train travel. Why did it take so long? Building the next-gen Acela was no simple task. Global supply chain issues delayed critical parts, and integrating cutting-edge technology required endless testing. The biggest challenge: updating 19th-century infrastructure for 21st-century trains. Engineers had to adapt the Acela's advanced tilting tech to handle the corridor's tight curves safely. Every delay was about getting it right, choosing safety and precision over speed. The COVID-19 pandemic added even more complications, from manufacturing slowdowns to limited testing. When you add it all up, supply chains, tech, infrastructure, and a global pandemic, it's clear why the timeline slipped. But the wait was about delivering a train that's safe, reliable, and revolutionary. Sometimes good things really do take time. And now the payoff is here. So what sets the new Acela apart? First, speed. It tops out at 160 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour faster than before, cutting travel times between New York and DC to under 2.5 hours. Its advanced tilting system lets it glide through curves smoothly, keeping the ride fast and comfortable. Capacity is up by 27%, easing congestion on this busy route. Built in New York with parts from 180-plus American suppliers, it's a win for U.S. jobs and industry. The train is smarter, more efficient, and easier to maintain, crucial for Amtrak's future sustainability. Passengers get speed and comfort. Amtrak gets reliability and lower costs. The new Acela is a showcase of American engineering and ambition. It's not just faster, it's better in every way. This is the future of U.S. rail, built to last. All that's left is to experience it for yourself. The journey has just begun. Riding the new Acela is a whole new experience. The interiors are bright, modern, and comfortable, with plush seats and more legroom. Every seat has power outlets and USB ports, plus high-speed 5G Wi-Fi for work or streaming. Huge windows offer panoramic views, and personal reading lights add a touch of luxury. The redesigned cafe car features grab-and-go options and self-checkout for convenience. Thanks to advanced tilting tech, the ride is quiet and smooth. Some say it feels like a private jet on rails. Compared to traffic jams or cramped flights, the Acela turns travel time into productive or relaxing time. You can work, unwind, or just enjoy the scenery. It's a more civilized, enjoyable way to travel. The journey becomes part of the adventure. This is train travel, reimagined. The new Acela isn't just a Northeast story, it's a blueprint for America's rail future. It proves the U.S. can build and run world-class high-speed trains. The success here could inspire more fast, connected rail networks nationwide. High-speed electric trains are greener, cutting carbon emissions and offering a real alternative to driving or flying. Every Acela rider helps the planet, and the demand for better trains grows. Passengers and officials alike are calling it a fundamentally better experience. When people see what's possible, they start asking for more. Change starts with public demand, not just policy. The next-gen Acela's journey is about vision, persistence, and investing in the future. As these trains become a familiar sight, they challenge us to dream bigger. So, where would you go if a train this fast could take you anywhere?